Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to explain about Abraham Lincoln. It's an English chapter covered in class 5. Let's move on. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12 February 1809 in America. His father was a poor peasant. His mother died when he was just 9 years old. When Abraham was 11 years old, he was sent to school. He studied hard and learned his lessons very fast. But he could not continue his studies because he had no money to pay the fees. He attended school for less than a year, but he taught himself to read and write at home. Friends, do you know who is Abraham Lincoln? He was a president of US for a couple of years. We will get to know how many years and what is the term during our lesson. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12th February in 1809 in America. His father was a poor peasant. What is the meaning of peasant? He is a small worker on a farm. So, they are not from a rich family. His father was working as a small worker on a farm. And his mother died when he was just 9 years old. And when Abraham was 11 years old, he was sent to school. So he studied very hard and learned his lessons very fast. But he could not continue his studies because there was no money with them. So what did he do? He attended school for less than a year. But he taught himself how to read and write. Every morning he went to farm with his father and returned late in the evening. He dug and plowed the farm. The work was very hard. Though he got very tired at the end of the day, he read as many books as he could. He was too poor to buy books, so he borrowed them from his friends. There were no lights in his house. He sat by the fire and read books in its light. Every morning Abraham Lincoln went to farm with his father and returned late in the evening. In the farm, he dug and plowed. Plowed means turn up the soil with farming tool. The work was very hard, and though he got tired, every evening as soon as he reached home, he read as many books as he could because he was very fond of books. He was so poor that he cannot buy the books. That's the reason he was borrowing them from his friends. And there were no lights in his house, so he sat by the fire and read books in its light. The meaning of borrowed means take them on temporary basis. Return them once you complete reading. Sometimes he took the books to the farm and read them at lunch. But he always returned the books safely and promptly to his friends the very next day. He used to even read the books in the farm during the lunch time. Once he complete reading, he safely and promptly returned the books the very next day. Promptly means quickly. Without any delay, he returned the books very next day. Once Abi borrowed a book from his neighbor. It was the biography of George Washington, the first president of the USA. Abi liked the book so much that he could not put it away before he finished reading it. He wanted to become a great man like Washington. He noted down the qualities of Washington. Abi read the book late in the night and left it by the window. That night it snowed very heavily. The book got wet in the snow. Abi here means Abraham Lincoln. What did he do? He borrowed a book from his neighbor. It was the biography of George Washington, who was the first president of the United States of America. Here biography means It is the story of a person written in the form of a book. Abhi liked that book, so he didn't want it to sleep without reading the entire book. He wanted to become a great man like Washington. So what did he do? He noted down all the qualities of Washington and he read the book late in the night and left it by the window. That night, it snowed very heavily and the book got wet in the snow. In the morning, when Abhi saw the book, he felt sad. He did not know what to tell to his neighbor. He wanted to buy a new book and give it to the owner, but he had no money. Abhi took the book to his neighbor and said, I am very sorry for having spoiled your book. I want to get you a new book, but you know, I have no money to buy a new one. I will work on your farm to make up for this loss. So what happened the next morning when Abhi got up? He saw the book and he felt sad. Reason being, the book got totally wet and is spoiled. He wanted to give a new book to his neighbor, but he has no money. So what did Abhi do? He took the book to his neighbor and said, I am very sorry the book got spoiled. I wanted to get you the new one, but you know I have no money to buy a new one. So what did he tell? I'll work on your farm to make up this loss. Then neighbor asked Abhi to work on his farm for 3 days. After 3 days of hard work, the neighbor gave the book to Abhi. Abhi was overjoyed. He read the book again and again. He always told his friends, one day I'll become the President of United States of America. His friends laughed at him when they heard him saying like this. So Abhi started working in the farm for 3 days. After 3 days, the neighbor gave him a new book. And Abhi was overjoyed. Overjoyed means extremely felt happy. He read the book again and again. And what did he tell to his friends? He said, one day I will become the President of United States of America. All his friends started laughing because they were thinking that how can this guy become a president? With his courage, hard work and determination, Abhi's dream came true. He became the 17th President of the United States in 1861. So Abhi was a very hard worker and courage means brave. He was brave and he has a determination means firmness. He fixed in his mind that he wants to become the President of United States of America. Finally, he has become the 17th President of the United States in 1861. What is the moral of the story here, friends? The impossible is not always impossible. Abraham Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809 in Kentucky. And on April 15, 1865, he passed away in Peterson House, Washington, D.C. He was in the presidential term from March 4, 1861 to April 15, 1865. So finally, he made his dream come true. Hope you find today's video interesting. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Also, drop your comments in the comment section.